Hi guys, my name is Yatri and this is crypto for you. Look at this. I believe that Bitcoin has been bottomed out. I believe that we will be going up again right now soon. Why? I'll be explaining you guys that and more in this video. So let's get into it. So look at this. Bitcoin has actually touched the bottom of this green band. This is the BLX chart, the Brave New Coin Liquid Index for Bitcoin on the daily time frame right now. Bitcoin has actually tapped the bottom. It has actually tapped this bottom green band. Now this, when it taps it, when it's inside of it, it's the perfect time to buy. When it taps the red top, that means it's probably time to sell. You can see that we had this is the $20,000 pump. It went to $20,000. Let me see, we tapped the top of the red band and then we actually had a correction all the way down to the bottom of the green band. Same thing with the others. You can see that this is log scale though, so you might not recognize this chart, but this is Bitcoin. If I turn off log, this is how it actually looks like. But in reality, it's better to see it log on this chart. So you can see that let's just take this bull market, you can see that we went up to the red band and then we dropped back down to the green band. And we did the same thing here, except this is what I think we're doing right now. You can see that we went up, not really tapped the red band, fell down, and almost tapped the green band, and then went back up, and we tapped the red top. I believe we're doing that right here. We almost tapped the red band, then we fell down, and right now we tapped the green band. Well, actually, you can see that we missed it by a little tiny bit, but I believe we're bottomed out. 28,900 is where we bottomed out. I mean, we could fall back down to 28,900, test it again, that could be a double bottom, but I believe we're done, and we should actually start going up. But what I want us to see before we actually 100% me believing that we're bullish, I want us to see break above the $41,000 level because we are actually consolidating. We fell inside of this, like I've been talking about for the last 4 videos. We fell inside of this resistance and support level, and we're just consolidating inside of it. If we break below this level, we're gonna fall down to $20,000. Like I said, if we break above $41,000, I believe that we will actually be going up, and we're gonna start doing our thing. So right now, guys, you can see that we had a rising wedge, and that's why we fell back down. Now we had a broadening wedge, a falling broadening wedge. That is actually a bullish pattern, and if we break out, we usually fall down to the top. I mean, we usually pump up to the top or about 70% of the way there. So I believe we could start going up. And if somebody's trading this, then if they buy it right now, they could get about 20 to 20%. This is an amazing place to buy right now, and that's what I believe we could be doing right now. The RSI on the 4-hour time frame is low, but the stochastic RSI is high. So I mean, we are kind of not showing anything on the patterns, but I believe we could start going up right now because, of course, we're bouncing inside of this. And what we do after we bounce the downside, we bounce on the bottom level, we either break it or we go up. You can see that we tapped this 28,742. We tapped that level and we started going up. So whatever we do is going to show what Bitcoin's going to do. But I believe we are bullish right now because look at this. On the daily time frame, you can see that the RSI is at 40 and the stochastic RSI is already at low. I believe that this is a perfect time to buy right now. This is like the best time to buy, and I believe Bitcoin will start going up. It's consolidating, something big is about to happen, but also, look at this, the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands. Look how squeezed they are. They're really, really squeezed. All I want us to do is break above the 20-day moving average. If we break above the 20-day moving average on the Bollinger Bands before they open, we are going to have a big move. Because what I said about, see, right here, we were below it, we broke above it, and then the Bollinger Band's mouth opened. And it will keep on pumping till the Bollinger Band's mouth closes. Here on the top or on the bottom, you can see that we closed right here, but we kept going up until we closed this side too. So same thing here, we fell below the 20-day moving average and the Bollinger Bands opened, and then we closed right here, and as soon as we closed the second band, we stopped. So if we go above this level and we start and the Bollinger Bands open, amazing. But if they open when we're still below, we could be doing something bad. Now, look at this. I just want to show you that the VPVR has a big, strong level at 41,000. But if we break this level, 41,000, oops, wrong indicator. If we break this 41,000, we could be going all the way to 46,000 because that's the next major big resistance. You can see that there's 41,000 or 40,000, and then after that there's like nothing practically, and then there's 46,000. So the next target after we break 40,000 is 46,000, and I want us to do a higher high in the next 3 or 4 days because that would be bullish for Bitcoin. And if we break above this resistance line, then I believe we're bottomed out, and I believe that we're done and we're going to start going up, because this probably happened because not only Elon Musk, but because everybody just got scared. Elon Musk probably started it, and then people got scared that it was dumping, and then now they dumped. But now it's tapping the support level, and it's just a psychological level, $30,000. And so people are like thinking it's cheap Bitcoin, and I think it's going to start pumping right now. But here's a question, guys. Comment down below if you think this is a big, scary pattern. I can kind of see a head and shoulders for me, even though it's a little bit too big. And I believe that this head and shoulders is not going to even play out. But comment down below what you think, because this is crazy. It's not going to even do this. If it does this, it's going to go to negative, which is impossible. I believe it's impossible for Bitcoin to go to negative $4,000. So whatever this pattern is, it's not going to play out. But comment down below why you think this pattern was created, and do you think it can play out? 100%, I don't think so. But this is what Bitcoin is doing, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, go down below and hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell so you never miss another video when I publish. See you guys in the next one. Bye!